Good morning, guys. There is clear blue sky up there. There's also some big clouds. We're up on Durden Downs. It doesn't feel to be any wind. So I am charging up the Silverlit Sopwith Camel. But while we're waiting for that to charge up, we'll have a go with these rubber band powered fighter planes. A little bit misleading. I mean, they're Catapult launch, that's how they're rubber band powered. We did do one of these a while ago, quite a while ago, with one of my grandsons. So we've got two left to play with. And might as well do this one. So I'll put it together and then we'll see how it flies. Well, that's the instructions. I haven't put the plastic bits in yet, which strengthen it. It's quite fun putting it together because you've got to manoeuvre the pieces into place. They all slot in position. Right, plastic strengtheners in place. I wasn't quite sure which way up that piece goes. My initial thought was the other way up, but I'm looking at the picture there and it definitely looks like it points downwards. Interesting. That's the nose weight and hook. So we'll go and try it. This is, of course, another tiny aeroplane. So once we flick that, our chances of following its flight are slim, but we'll give it a go. And I'm not feeling any wind at all, so we will be giving that aeroplane a try, the biplane. Just the tiniest bit of a breeze from that direction. Okay. At least it didn't go into a ridiculous loop straight away. We'll give it a little bit of up elevator though. See if we can get a loop out of it. Oh yes, that works. We've only got tiny rubber bands, so we're not going to be going miles with it. Unless we catch a thermal. Lost sight of it that time. Try a lower launch. Yeah, I think we could go up in power quite a bit with rubber bands. I have to say, for a cheap 4-pack, which I paid even less for because I got it in a charity shop, it flies straight out the box. Let's reduce that elevator a bit now. Yeah, it does need a bit of up. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, that's an excellent one. That's a little bit of trim to stop it dive into the left, and we've got a good flight. Oh yes, oh, well it was going, and it changed its mind. Well, I reckon that is excellent. Simple, paper covered foam, and it works. Oh, and the wind's picking up a bit. Oh, really don't want any wind. Not if I'm going to try the biplane. This will have to do. Last one. Into the wind a bit. I'll go the opposite direction. Wind's on my right hand side. Very tempting to get stronger rubber bands, but probably just break it. Right, that'll do. It works. It works, I would say, particularly well for a cheap, what was it, 4-pack I think, 4 or 5-pack. Lagoon toys. No idea how old it is. I'll have a look at the box, see if there's a date on it. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.